So here's my sky blue. I'm going to start with that touch of white. Smash it down on both sides of your brush. All right. So let's start with here. We're going to go like this is our brightest area. I still feel like you need a little cerulean in there. It's just got a, you know, a little bit brighter pigment. Yeah, there we go. Pull it right around that corner, like just a bit. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the other side and do the same. I'm gonna tilt it a little so it's a little easier. Okay, so we have that lower part. We'll brighten that with a little blue and white later, okay? Then when you barely have any paint on your brush, I want you to leave like just a touch of that black in between that section and this section. And I want you to like take your pressure off as you go back. Very little paint. We're gonna bring this like back a little bit further and let that just fade into black, okay? You can even grab a little bit of your phthalo if your brush is getting dry, but don't use like real bright paint, not a lot of paint. I'm gonna lift off as I come up underneath, you know, his brim of his hat right there, okay? All right. So we're going to do the same on the other side. So get your cerulean, if you want to, just a little phthalo. And we're going to start, I'm going to turn this way so it's a little easier. Leave a little bit of black in between the brim and then go back this way. We're getting there. And then we need to wipe off this brush. We're going to get a little bit of white, okay, a little bit of white, and we're going to brighten towards the front, okay? So we're going to go here, right on, I think I hit tan, hold on, right here on this edge. You can use your round brush if you wanted to, but I'm going to stick with this flat brush. A little bit of a highlight there. Just like that. And then you can wipe it off a little and make this just a tad brighter in this area. Not much though, okay? We also want to know where this begins and ends even in a darker area, so I'll just very lightly touch the line over there, okay? See how this is bringing this forward by making that brighter, okay? I can wipe my brush a little bit. I'm going to just barely touch it through here. Take off my pressure, make a little bit of an edge there. So now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to use this 1/2 inch flat and we're going to work and follow the shape on his sleeves. We don't want this too bright because we need to be able to, you know, highlight and leave something shadowed. So this is going to be a little bit darker as it comes in towards the cake, all right? So I want you to start like out here first. It's a little too bright. Out here first, all right? Right at that edge, lift off as you come, you know, towards the star. I want very little paint in here, okay? Not a lot of paint in there. A little bit brighter out on these edges, okay? So I'm going to use like my cerulean, a little bit of phthalo, maybe a touch of white, not much, okay? We'll brighten this afterwards. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to lift off. I'm going to go right in between those lines. Same thing here. Follow the shape. As we go down and under here, we're going to take off our pressure. We're going to allow that to get darker. Also allow it to get darker closer to that cuff. We're going to leave that. We're going to come back and brighten it afterwards. All right, so I'm going to get my blues, maybe a very small touch of white. And we're going to do the same over here. You do want to get a touch of paint in here, not a lot, okay? Again, we'll grab my blues, a little bit of white. We're going to start outside edge, and we're going to pull in, okay? I think I can get that a little bit lighter out there. like right here, and pull in, and pull in, and pull in. Take my pressure off. Okay, so brighter on the outside. So that's what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get just my white, just wiped off my brush a little bit on my paint towel. I'm going to grab just my white and I'm going to go here and pull in here. Make it brighter where I feel the light would hit it. I can come in a little further here. And you're creating dimension by doing this. So I need to turn this to get a better angle, but I'm going to make a little bit harsher of a white line here and here, like that they're creases. Okay. And we're going to do the same on the other side. We're getting there. And then we'll move down to the bottom of the jacket. Same thing. I'm going to take a little bit of white and I'm going to lift off as I come in here. All right, lift off as I come in here. All right, that way it doesn't look flat. It looks like these are going, lifting up a little bit. So down here, we're going to do the same thing. I am going to, let me show you this on the example. So this would be a little bit brighter, like I'm going to make it look like this curves up and out. We're going to leave a little bit of a shadow right here, okay? Little bit of shadow.